Santa's moving.
Look at it, Santa Claus.
Look, there's Santa on the ano.
At the
It's up there.
Up there, look.
There's a lot of Santa here, bud.
A lot of Santa. Some Santa are tired, sleeping. Look at
Wow,
that.
that's cool, bud.
Oh, look at that.
A lot of big Santa here. Left and right. Oh, stop.
Why is there so many Santa Claus?
So many Santa, no? It's too cold to walk. It's like a driveway thing. Look at that. Most of the house for the big Santa, right?
Yeah, but there's one Santa Claus here.
Yeah, there's one Santa Claus
Yeah, but
here.
that Santa Claus
It's
is
here.
dead. Look.
Dead?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
no,
it's there.
sleeping.
Oh, there's one here.
Sleeping.
Oh,
Oh, one
another
Santa
one
sleeping
knocked
over.
down. He's drunk. Oh, ayun pa pala. Oh, hapa. Oh, see?
Why is there so many Santa Claus?
So many Santa. Every houses. Not
This
every houses. Most
amazing.
of the houses put a big Santa, no?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at Santas.
This a lot of
A
Santa,
lot
bud.
of Santa. Hanggang doon pala, oh. Ayan, oh. Isang buong street ng Inglewood. Ayan, oh. Santa. Hi, Santa.
Mama,
Yeah?
why we just say counting and then this happened, Mama?
Huh?
Why we ever say like counting this Santa Clauses?
You
and then
did you
the
count?
sun out?
Did you count the Santa?
Yeah.
How many Santa you see?
I don't know what we see.
Look at that.
No
Hanggang doon pala sa dulo, oh.
A lot of Santa Claus here, bud.
Some are dead.
Somewhere.
Maybe they're sleeping yet still.
Hey,
Look at them. Look at Santa. Hi, Santa. Hello,
That's
Santa.
cool, Santa, bud. Can I go straight, left, right?
Mama.
Asan
Mount
na ba tayo?
Pleasant.
Mount Pleasant.
I go straight.
Oh, wait.